What's up, you guys? It's Paul here from the 9 to 5 Investors Club channel. I want to make a quick video here for you guys today on a Sunday evening just to look forward to futures for tomorrow and how the stock market might react to Joe Biden's win yesterday. And as you can see, the futures look really amazing. All the indices are up quite a bit. Nasdaq nearly 2%, which is really exciting to see. Even the S&P and Dow are up 1.4% and 1.2% respectively. And even there's an article here about how the market seems to like Joe Biden as the president, but the another reason why the market is actually doing well is because they're still expecting a Republican Senate, and any time when you have either a Democratic president or a Republican Senate or vice versa, the market has always done well, mainly because a lot of the policies are not changed drastically, really quickly because there's always resistance from the Senate. Okay, so the biggest concern for investors right now with Biden is the fact that there might be tax hikes and a lot of taxes, even for commissions on trading, for example, income taxes, corporate taxes, just a lot of tax hikes if you look through his policies, and that's what people are worried about. But if the Senate is a Republican majority, then there's a good chance that a lot of them may not pass. Okay. So that's what investors are excited about. On the flip side, though, I did make a video yesterday about how about the different stocks that I'm watching, and so I would highly recommend that you check that out. And I want to repeat them again in this video. But mainly the sectors that I'll be watching are obviously renewable source of energy because of his of the clean energy plan that he has. Cannabis stocks are doing well. They've already popped a lot last week. Tech stocks are doing well as well because of potentially lesser regulation, but that's something to be that's something we have to wait and see. Trade war tensions could be lesser too. That's something I'm looking forward to. If there are no more crazy restrictions on partnerships with Chinese companies, I'm hoping there could be, but it would actually work out better for some companies that I'm watching right now. I'd love to see if Fastly can get back their partnership with TikTok. If TikTok ends up not getting banned, that would be good to see as well, because Fastly is a pretty sizable portion in my portfolio. Definitely watching that. But in this video, the main thing I wanted to talk to you about was the fact that Nasdaq is up 2% here pre-market. That's a really good sign. So whenever Nasdaq is up a lot, the best way to play a short-term trade on it is actually through ProShares Ultra Pro, ticker symbol TQQ. Okay, so if you're not familiar with TQQ, what it really QQQ, it's confusing, but what it really does, it provides a 3x leveraged exposure to a modified market cap weighted index, tracking 100 of the largest non-financial firms listed on Nasdaq. What that really means in simple terms is anytime the Nasdaq 100 moves 1%, this ETF aims to move 3%. Okay, so that's both a good and bad sign, because when the tech stocks go down, TQQ drops like a rock, but when tech stocks go up, TQQ skyrockets. Okay, so that's something you have to watch out for. If there is a continuation on tech stocks tomorrow, I'm definitely going to be playing TQQ, especially call options on it. So definitely keep an eye out for it. Okay. Another stock that I'm watching, not exactly related to the presidency or anything, but just to keep on your watch list potentially, Zoom stock. They're back at that 500 level, which is a key level that they've struggled to break through twice. They broke through it temporarily here, but now we're kind of testing that level again. If we do see a breakthrough, I think they do have a leg up. Further, I think they have earnings coming out at the end of this month, if I'm not wrong, but there could be a potential run-up leading to it. So I'll definitely be watching this key level. If I pull up the stock here, I think they were up a little bit after hours. They're up 0.33%, not a whole lot. But yeah, so they're above that 501.75, which is kind of at that resistance level that we were just looking at. So if it can break through, I might do a weekly trade on that as well. So TQQ, Zoom are two of the big things that I'm watching for sure. TAN, I think, can pick up too. TAN has been on a tear. I talked about it in the previous video, so I don't want to go into too much detail, but just a quick reminder that that's something you should put on your watch list. I think solar stocks are going to do well. As you can see, I have 360 calls. I sold 2 of the 65 calls, so 2 of these are actually debit spreads. And then I have 10 of the 110 calls for April. So I'm definitely heavily invested in TAN, moving a lot. So I'm pretty confident about it. And obviously all cannabis stocks like ACB, CGC, Tilray, IIPR, Planet 13, all these stocks that are definitely some that are on my watch list and should be on yours as well. Gold may not move much yet, because gold, it's a very slow mover. It's dependent on if the stimulus passes through or not. That's something that I'm still watching out for. But that's mainly what I wanted to share with you guys. TQQ is what's on my mind right now, mainly because look at that. It was 1.9% at the beginning of this video and it's already 2.17. So I think tech is going to move a lot tomorrow with the Nasdaq futures here. So definitely keeping an eye out for it. And I highly recommend that you do as well, okay? That's all I wanted to share with you guys here today. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Please do smash that like button if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if there are any other ticker symbols that you wanted me to look at. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, okay? Thanks again for watching. Until next time.